You gonna hit an orgy this week?
Yeah, possibly. I'm getting jacked up for it, so yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, all right. What is up, students? A few weeks ago, I got a flat tire with my girlfriend and I was cut by the AAA guy. And I don't want that to happen to you. So for today's lesson, I'm gonna show you how to become a car guy. To become a car guy, first I had to become learned. So I immersed myself in dense materials to train my brain in car.
1949 Mercury, and then our old Betty over there, 32 Ford pickup.
What do the numbers stand for?
That's the year model.
The way she looked at the AAA guy, she's never looked at me that way.
He's a stud.
Brawny dude, yeah.
He can handle his tools.
So I was like, I need to become a car guy, so that's why I'm here, and I'd love to learn how to fix a tire.
Sure.
Hands behind your back. I don't think so. Your mistake is thinking you got a goddamn choice, boy.
You measure the amount of torque you can apply.
Okay.
So I've been doing this for a long time, so my elbow is calibrated, so I know exactly where the torque is.
I gotta be honest, I understood about 2 words in that spiel.
That's okay.
So I think we got some work to do.
We're gonna show you.
All right.
All right.
Shit. Okay, Toretto.
There you go, right on the money.
Right there?
Yep.
As a car guy, what are some car guy terms I can use to sort of initiate boning?
Man, I have no idea.
No?
No.
So you don't come in with like, hey, I'm gonna like, you know, twist your lug nuts and put some torque in that puss?
Never thought about it.
No?
No.
Can we try like a role play thing? Like I just
Let's
fix
double
the
check.
tire?
Let's double check your torque here.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that would have fallen off. You got a lightweight girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need a jack.
Next, I'm gonna take her to a car show, and then I'm gonna be like, oh crap, babe, flat tire. And then I'm gonna be like, wait a second, there's car guys around, but I got this.
Put on the gun show.
Especially when I'm doing the torque.
Gotta get the gun show.
All right,
That's
cool.
what it's all about.
Step 1, flatten one of my tires. Step 2, assemble amongst car guys at the Cars and Coffee meetup in Griffith Park. What's up, fellas? Ladies. Direct port nitrous injection.
Isn't that an aux cable?
Ah,
Yeah, that's a cigarette lighter. There's an aux cable and a cigarette lighter.
Shelby. That's the name of my ex. Step 3, talk some car and become respected as one of their own. I heard that this guy Hector is going to be running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines, with T66 turbos and a Motec system exhaust, which is why when I go to Race Wars, that's why I'm gonna need my NOS at peak level. And I was talking to my boy Harry and I'm like, I need NOS. I need NOS. Is that a NOS tank?
No, it's for the airbag.
Oh, it's airbag. Oh, sick. Would you mind if I changed the tire on your ride? Just learned yesterday. I bet you they got under 100 grand running under the hood of that car.
Probably.
Yeah. Hope I don't catch this guy at Race Wars.
Very nice. Very nice.
Do you think I'm a car guy?
No.
Step 4. Get my girlfriend to come to the meetup to quote unquote help with the shoot. That's a lie. I love cars! I love cars! I was driving with my girlfriend a few weeks back. I got a flat tire and I didn't know how to change the tire, so I had to call AAA. And I got cucked by the AAA guy. Like, he gave me the pound, went in for the hug with her, and I'm pretty sure they've been texting ever since.
Your girlfriend went with the tow truck driver?
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Man, that's not right.
Yeah. But she's on her way now, so I'm gonna prove to her that I can.
You want her back?
Yeah.
Now you're going to AA?
Yeah, no. Dude, that was a sick burn, dude. That was a good burn. Babe, I think I got a flat. It's crazy. It's super flat. I might have to change it.
Okay.
All these car guys around. It's kind of intimidating.
Do you know how to change a tire?
Yeah, I think just stay over there and I'll fix it. I got it, babe. No worries.
Okay.
Tools. What's up, fellas? Got a flat. Looks like I gotta change this tire. This is my girlfriend.
Hi guys. How are you?
Hi. How you doing?
Nice to meet you. I'm Kennedy.
Hey, Kennedy. Hello.
Yes.
Presidential.
Yes, very presidential.
You not met in the garage, right? Tell her.
Did you do good work in the garage?
Yeah, I mean, he and I were switching out NOS tanks back in 2014.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
2014 maybe?
Yeah.
2010, no. It's been a long time.
No, it was 2014. Yeah.
14?
Yeah. And then Frank, right?
Yeah, Frank was a good guy. I miss him.
Yeah. Yeah, R.I.P.
Yeah.
He taught you a lot, though.
Yeah.
While you were there.
Just a couple of grease monkeys, you know what I
I
mean?
love it.
Yeah. Can you guys, I kind of forgot the right tools, so can you guys distract her while I just make it look like I'm
Sure. So,
Just bring her over there.
you go there and it's a styling
Yeah.
company or it's a retail?
It's retail.
Looks like I fixed it.
Good job.
The magic touch. So, yeah, I'm a pretty reliable dude.
You are.
How are you doing?
Good, man. I just wanted to let you know that I just fixed a tire.
You just what?
I just fixed a tire.
You gotta know that. There's serial killers everywhere. You gotta that's good.
Right?
Yeah.
There's serial killers everywhere, and now I can fix a tire so we don't have to deal with that threat.
I was trying to make you laugh, but dude, fixing a tire, that's my daughters. I have to make them learn that.
Yeah.
You know?
Thanks, man. Well, it's good.
Yeah. What's up?
It's good seeing you. We'll chat later, but I just wanted to let you know. Brett goes to orgies a lot, so.
What kind of jacks you got? I mean, is it a...
Just a basic manual.
Okay. Yeah, man.
So you gonna hit an orgy this week?
Yeah, possibly. I'm getting jacked up for it, so yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
So there you go. I've become a car guy and my girlfriend now respects me. Not gonna lie, it feels good. And I hope some of you will take this plan into action and become the legendary boyfriend you know you can be.